Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 2, Week 3, Day 4. I am going to say some words, and I'd like you to listen for the word that does not belong. Ramp, clank, blimp. So if I'm listening for the last sound, clank does not end in oop, so it does not belong. Okay, let's do a few more. Lump, limp, land. Which one does not belong? 3, 2, 1. Land. Slant, mist, hunt. Oh, that one's tricky. Slant, mist, or hunt. That one was tricky. It'd be mist. Okay, let's do the next one. Pink, blank, jump. Which one does not belong? 3, 2, 1, jump. Okay, last one. Desk, list, dust. Which one does not belong? 3, 2, 1, desk. Okay, this is review. Remember, we add ing to a verb. A verb is an action, and that means it's happening right now. ing means it's happening now. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, asking. Here's ink. 3, 2, 1, drinking. 3, 2, 1, bending. Ooh, here's the S. 3, 2, 1, sweated. 3, 2, 1, buzzed. Now these are tricky. Remember, ed means the action happened in the past. I tell the kids in class the past. So sweated was ed as well. Happened in the past. Ooh, I see another that happened in the past. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, stuffed. And last of all, 3, 2, 1, it's. Okay, let's read this word. Oh, there's my ink. It's not sink, it's sink. Change the s to rink. Change the n to s, risk. Change the to disc. Change the I to desk. Change the sk to nt, dent. Change the d to went. Get rid of the n, wet. Change the w to let. Add an n before the t, lent. Change the a to I, lint. Get rid of the n, it becomes lit. Change the t to p, lip. Add a n, limp. Add a b before the l, blimp. Okay, nice job, friends. Okay, let's look at our high frequency words. Like. What do you like to eat? Where? Where do you want to go? There. There is the house. Get. I will get a new pencil. This. Who is this? Okay, here is our story. I'm going to, do you notice the ending is the same on both of these? It's oop. Okay, I'm going to let you go first, then I'll go. Together, stomp and romp. Okay, let's blend. These are words you'll see in the story. 3, 2, 1, is. 3, 2, 1, under. 3, 2, 1, make. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, for. 3, 2, 1, who. 3, 2, 1, they. 3, 2, 1, see. 3, 2, 1, of. 3, 2, 1, are. Okay, I'm going to let you go first, then I'll go. Together, stomp and romp. And let me move this over. Your turn first. Together. Stomp is an ant. Romp is an ant. Stomp can run fast. Romp can jump up. Okay. Let's look at that picture. Your turn. Together. Stomp and Romp get sand. Romp will stack it under a trunk and make a hill. Stomp must ask for help. So he needs help making his anthill. Okay. Okay, here's the next one. Your turn. Okay, here we go. Who can help? Romp asks a bug. Stomp asks a frog. They will not get sand, so they don't want to help. Okay, let's look some more. Your turn. Together, Stomp can see a big ant. Stomp runs and asks for help. The ant can get a lot of sand. Okay, your turn. Together, Stomp and Romp are glad. Stomp can rest. Romp will eat. The hill is grand. Grand means like wonderful. Okay, so once again, when I have a verb, if I want it to be happening right now, I add ing. Okay, so drink is my verb. It's something I do to take a drink, and it becomes drinking. Okay, so let's look at some more of these verbs and how we can make them happen right now. So spend is when you spend money. If I'm doing it right now, I'm spending. List, maybe I'm making a list. I'm listing. Print, a printer prints, right? What if it's doing it right now? It's printing. Trust, if you trust someone, you believe what they say, and it would be trusting. It's something I'm doing right now. Spell, if I'm doing it right now, becomes spelling. And last of all, stomp becomes stomping. I'm doing it right now. Okay, here's our last part for today. A possessive noun shows that someone or something owns something. So let's read this sentence. The lion's teeth are sharp. So think in your head, where is my possessive noun? So first you want to think of who it is. Who are we talking about? If you said lion, you're right. And the apostrophe S tells us the next word is his. What are the lion's teeth? The teeth are the lion's. Okay, let's do one more here. The shark's home is the ocean. Okay, find the possessive noun. First we look for who. It's the shark. Apostrophe S tells us the next word is his. The shark's what? Home. The home is the shark's. Okay, friends, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.